On a hot summer evening, a little cricket emerged from the ground. It was eagerly looking forward to molting overnight and transforming into an adult cricket with wings to sing a deep, resonant song. As it crawled up from the ground, it encountered a large tree trunk and began to climb to find a suitable place to shed its exoskeleton, the most crucial task in its life. However, on the tree, there was a couple of praying mantises who had spent the whole day without finding any food to eat and were closely watching the cricket. The young cricket had climbed halfway up the tree when the mantis couple, wielding sharp, serrated forelimbs, pounced on it aggressively. The young cricket, frightened, hurriedly tried to calm the mantises by saying, "Please, Mr. and Mrs. Praying Mantis, don't eat me right away. Sooner or later, I will become your meal, but I'm much tastier right now. It's just this morning, and I'm still plump and fresh. Why don't you stay until tomorrow morning? Enjoy a satisfying meal in an process. You'll make my life happier by granting me a few more hours." Hearing the plea of the tiny cricket, the praying mantis couple, considering its small size and the fact that it hadn't developed its wings yet, hesitated. They thought, what it says makes sense. And how can this little cricket escape from our grasps anyway, with their stomachs growling? The mantis couple decided to endure their hunger for a few more hours and waited for the next morning. As the night went on, the hungry mantises occasionally glanced at the cricket, keeping a watchful eye. When morning broke, their hunger was even more intense, and they glanced over to find the cricket still lying where it was. However, upon closer inspection, they discovered that it was just an empty exoskeleton, still puffed up, but completely hollow inside. It turned out that over the course of the night, the young cricket had molted successfully into an adult cricket with strong wings, and it had taken flight. The praying mantis couple felt a pang of regret for missing a meal. Summer had arrived, and the melodious chirping of crickets filled the air. Among them, there was undoubtedly the sound of the wise cricket that had escaped danger, raising its voice in a triumphant and resounding song.